So this is the Amazon Echo Input Portable Edition, which is a portable speaker with built-in Alexa. And a lot of you guys were requesting for a portable Alexa speaker, so Amazon just got it. But how good is it? Let's find out. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can do that from the top right corner in the info card. And if you like the product, then you can check out all the links down below in the description. So this is the Echo Input, a device which you can use to add Alexa to any of your existing speaker, which Amazon launched a few months ago. I've made a full review. But if you add a speaker and a battery to this, you will get this, which is the portable edition of the Echo Input. So this allows you to take the speaker from one room to another, one place to another. So this is the first time I guess Amazon is giving a built-in battery into the Echo devices. So it would be fun to see how this thing performs and how good is it. But before that, let's just go through a quick unboxing and see all the contents of it, and then we will discuss further. So here's the package from Amazon, and as you can see, this is, really disgusting to see, but let's see if our package is secure inside. So here is the retail box, but as we are in the process of unboxing this, let's also remove this plastic sheet. So here is the retail box itself. Now, as you can see, there is nothing fancy on the box, just the Amazon logo. You remember this, but on the back you can see the MRP of the device, which is 6,000 rupees, but this is not the actual one that they sell on the website. So we will do the price reveal later on this video, but for now I'm really excited to check it out. So let's open it up. But here is the speaker itself and wrapped in plastic sheet. So let's remove this plastic sheet first. So here is the speaker itself. We have volume controls on the front, a power button, LED indicators, and two buttons for Alexa command and mute, and light as well, and 4 mics. So there is a lot of things going on, and there is a micro USB. What the hell, dude? There is a micro USB port on the back, so that's a little bummer. Let's put this aside. We have full video to discuss about this thing and see what else do we have in the box. So next thing, we get the user manual and a card, things to try with Amazon Echo Input Portable Edition. So if you have free time, you can use it. So we don't need this, I guess. So let's see what else do we have in the box. There should be a cable and a charger. Yes, I was right. So we have a wall adapter and a cable, micro USB cable to charge, which is pretty long, by the way, so you don't have to worry about it. So that's included. That's cool. But that was pretty much it for the unboxing of the Amazon Echo Input Portable Edition. But now let's test it out in the real world and see how it performs. Now setting up this speaker is quite easy. All you need to do is just go to Play Store and download the Alexa app. So after installing the app, just go to the app drawer and open it up. So first it will ask you to sign in with your Amazon account, so do that first. Let's do it. And after doing that, just click on Get Started. Now select your name from here, tap on Continue. Now you need to grant some permission to the app. Now you need to enter your contact number, or you can just skip it. So the app is successfully set up, and now we need to connect it to the speaker. So let's do it now. So now turn on the speaker from the power button here. So then go to the menu and select Smart Home, and then you can add the device from here. So do that. And it will automatically search for it.
This device is ready for setup. Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
I don't know why this is happening. So I have just updated the app, and now let's give it a try. So hold on this button to make it orange and to take it into the connection mode. So just tap on continue now. Allow the location access. then select the device. So all of this was happening because of the app. The app wasn't updated, but now it is and it's working. So now let's connect to the Wi-Fi. So the device is now successfully paired.
Your device is ready.
So that was quite easy, I guess, excluding all the hassle that I have to deal with for updating the app. But otherwise, it was pretty simple. So first of all, let's talk about the design. So essentially, it's a portable speaker with a built-in Alexa. You can put it that way. All the Echo devices that Amazon is offering has to be plugged in all the time to use it. But with this, they have provided a built-in battery which you can use to take it from place to place, from room to room, or you can even take it to traveling. So overall, the design is great. We have Amazon Echo device feel on the whole package. The device is covered with this textured cloth-like material all around. We have power button on the front, volume up and volume down as well. And on top of that, we also get 4 LED indicators to show the battery percentage. Now on the top, we also get Alexa button and a mute button with 4 mics, which are pretty decent range mics. I can easily use this from across the room. And let me show how good the mics are. Alexa. 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 But overall, the build quality and design is pretty awesome, and the whole package is very premium feeling device. Although I miss the fact that this doesn't come with a clock like the Echo Dot with clock edition. And another thing I feel like this is missing from this device is the aux output, which means that you cannot connect this to another speaker, headphones, earphones, or any other speaker. You don't get the aux output from this as you do get on the Echo input. So that's a little bummer, but you can do is connect this speaker to other Bluetooth devices from the app itself. So you can do that, but if there was an aux output, then it would be much more good to see. What's new here is the 4800 milliamp hour of battery, which takes around 5.5 hours to charge full, and after that it served me around 9 to 9.5 hours of playtime, around 70% of the volume, which is quite awesome. This was one of the biggest feature missing on all the Echo lineup, that you have to keep them plugged in all the time to use them. But now we have a built-in battery into this, which is a really good thing. But coming down to the sound quality of the Amazon Echo Input Portable Edition, they sound really fantastic. I will leave a sound quality test at the end of this video, but for now, the speaker has a good frequency response and an amazing bass. You will totally love it. And another great thing is that they're very loud. It can easily fill up the entire living room. If it's a medium-sized living room, it can easily fill that up with sound. For the most part, it's crystal clear, but when you reach the level 10, which is the maximum volume on this, you will find the sound to be a little more muffled and unclear, muddy. But until the level 9, it's quite good and it's really loud. So overall, the sound quality is amazing. If you are looking for a portable speaker with a built-in Alexa, then you can definitely go with it. But if you talk about the price for a second, this is what is left in this video. So now let's talk about that. So for the price, the Amazon Echo Input Portable Edition is available for 5,000 rupees, and it's pretty much comparable to the Echo Dot, which has a price tag of 3,000 rupees and 5,500 rupees for the clock edition. But you don't get the built-in battery on the Amazon Echo Dot, and you get it here. So essentially you are just paying 2,000 rupees for the built-in battery. But overall, if you ask me, I totally recommend this product. Although you have to ask yourself if you have to pay 2,000 rupees for the built-in battery or not. But if you're looking for a good portable speaker with built-in Alexa, then definitely this thing is for you. And to make things easier, all the links are provided down below in the description, so you can check it out from there. But that's been it, guys. Now I leave the sound test of this speaker, and hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
I knelt to pray today, but no one was listening anymore. Do I need to fade away or stay here laying down on the floor? I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland.